Noah.
Yeah?
I got a comment a week ago
Yeah.
from Love Truck Garage.
Yeah.
And it just gave me a notification this morning.
Mm-hmm.
And he gave me the brilliant idea, which makes me feel really dumb, of checking the ashtray for the key for the locking lug.
That's actually, yeah.
We haven't even opened up the ashtray yet.
Yes.
Let's go check. I don't know why we didn't think of this before.
It was the ashtray, right? Yeah.
Yeah. We haven't even opened it. Probably just pull straight out. Nope, probably pull straight out. They used to pull straight down.
Oh, yeah, there we go. There it is. Is that it?
Really?
Nope.
Wait, let me
Wait,
see.
it is. It's it. It's the locking.
I feel really dumb.
Yeah, thank you to Love Truck Garage.
Yeah, it was like whoa, easy. Right in front of our face the whole time, and we were searching underneath all this to try to find it, and it was right in front of us.
Yep, that's it.
That's actually pretty cool. Let me see it.
They custom made it. It's just an extending socket, and then they welded it on there.
Oh, that's cool. You can see the button for the socket at the end of the
Yeah.
thing. That's cool. Hey, this is actually a pretty cool lesson because, you know, we were so close to the situation, we didn't see the things that was right in front of our face.
Yep.
And a lot of times that happens in life, and you're going to see that in your teenage years. That's coming quickly. You're going to see that in your teenage years. Well, you'll be so involved in a situation, maybe a girl or something, that you're not going to be able to see what's right in front of you. And so that's why it's important to surround you with people that care about you, would speak truth to you, and kind of give you guidance. And so, like, you might be in that situation as a teenager where there are other people that have been around a long time. Just like us, we're new to this love community, and we're new to this truck. But some people have been around this thing and know exactly where to look. Saying the ashtray, that's some experience speaking right there. And so, and true, it came true, right? And so, same thing with you. Like when you're going through stuff, it's good to surround yourself with a community of people, especially for your faith and real life situations. People that could speak truth to you. Sometimes we're so close to things that we're blinded by them, and others have been there. They've walked through it, and so they have good wisdom to offer. Cool? Mm-hmm. So who do we want to thank today?
Love Truck Garage.
Yep. Hey, we're going to put his channel as a link in the comments, and so go check him out, give him a follow. Thank you.
Bye.
Now we can get the wheels off.
I can get the wheels off.
Yep. And then what are we going to do?
Uh,
Get some old tires put on?
Yep.
Yeah. So we can roll this thing around, huh? All right, let's go.